Ag Days is for 7th graders at Lawton Public Schools. They will come through and go through 9 stations that will be very informative. Some of them are hands-on, some of them are just information. It is to try to let them know about agriculture, about the agriculture education and the FFA that we offer here at Lawton Public Schools, but mainly just to let them know about the agriculture in Oklahoma and where some of their food sources come from and some of the products and things that come from agriculture.
Why do you think it's good to have 7th graders out here?
I think it's good because 8th grade is when you can participate in ag, and it kind of gives them a chance to see what ag's about. It's not just farming, it's a bunch of other different things, and it's kind of a good opportunity for them to kind of see what they can do.
I just now came from doing they taught us how to do an injection with a needle, and it's like, it's supposed to reference as like an animal, so we learned how to do that. And we also planted a plant that they assigned us to water every day.
A lot of these students are just in awe. They have no idea some of the things that we offer for them to take as far as class-wise. 8th grade is the first year they can become an FFA member and take the agriculture education courses that we offer. But they're also just in awe of seeing some of the animals up close.
A lot of people don't know that the welding part is incorporated with our FFA and the different opportunities they can do with that. And usually when they think of FFA, you know, they just think of the animals and the roping and the cattling and stuff like that. But we have a lot more opportunities than that. So them seeing the welding station, the horticulture, even just making butter has kind of sparked their interest in doing FFA.
I am a great advocate of ag. Of course, all of us agriculture education advisors are, or we wouldn't be in this profession, but that is what we try to do on a daily basis, is open all students' eyes to the world of agriculture, to the opportunities that they can have through the FFA, but also after graduation, the job opportunities that they may have.